टेढ़ो कर लियो ना, हाथ पानी पी ले। हाँ।
There are needs, but little means. There are aspirations, but hard constraints. There are dreams, but tough realities. Life may not be the same for them all. Yet, from the 1-year-old Divyesh to the 70-year-old Mubarak Begum, they all have a common benefactor, the Sir Ratan Tata Trust. Take the case of Divyesh. When only 5 months old, he was diagnosed with bilateral profound sensory neural hearing loss in both the ears. Since both his parents were orally impaired themselves, it was not possible for them to immediately detect the condition. Thanks to his aunt, he was taken to the Hinduja Hospital and Medical Research Centre, Mumbai, where he was advised a cochlear implant by the ENT surgeon.
It is a device which consists of 2 parts. One part which sits outside as shown in this picture, and there is a second part which is surgically put inside the ear and goes inside the cochlea. It's especially useful for children who are born hearing impaired.
Unable to meet the cost of the treatment, his parents were resigned to trying out a few simple hearing aids which only helped the child respond to some loud sounds.
आम्हाला फायनान्शियली बराच प्रॉब्लेम वाटत होता, कारण ह्या ऑपरेशनचा खर्च जवळजवळ 6 लाख रुपये आहे. तर तो कसं काय अरेंज करायचं हे एक आम्हाला टेन्शन होतं.
Dr. M. Kirtane of the Hinduja Hospital then referred the case to Sir Ratan Tata Trust, and the parents received 2 lakh rupees as a grant from the trust that covered 1/3 of the cost of treatment. The implant has given a lifelong solution to Divyesh's problem, and he is now able to pick up lower sounds as well.
तो आई बाबा हे शब्द बोलतोय किंवा पाणी दे, छोटी छोटी वाक्य तो बोलायला लागलाय. त्यामुळे आम्हाला आता खूपच बरं वाटतं आहे की तो पुढे जाऊन आपलं आयुष्य नीट उभं करू शकेल आणि नॉर्मल लोकांप्रमाणे तो वागू शकेल. याचा आम्हाला खूपच आनंद होतो आहे.
Divyesh is now undergoing auditory verbal therapy at Nad Center, Mumbai. To fulfill its objectives, the Trust has built links with reputed medical institutions, including 20 hospitals in Mumbai and 13 others across Maharashtra, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka to identify those in need of financial assistance. Under its medical grants program, the Trust provides monetary assistance to individuals suffering from cancer, cardiovascular diseases, nephrological ailments, tuberculosis, neurological diseases, or any other life-threatening disease that requires hospitalization or treatment over long duration. Another case is that of Jitin Shirke. A year ago, 11-year-old Jitin suffered from acute jaundice which would not respond to treatment. As Jitin's high bilirubin count could not be brought under control, the local nursing home referred him to the KEM Hospital, Mumbai. He was diagnosed with end-stage liver disease and was rushed to the Wockhardt Hospital, Mumbai for a liver transplant.
About 1.5 years back, he was brought to us. He was persistently jaundiced. He was not growing. He was unable to concentrate on his studies. And when we examined, we found that his liver was totally damaged. It was unable to sustain his body. Now, the operation of the liver transplantation itself is a complex operation. It's supposed to be the most dangerous operation ever devised in the field of surgery.
However, paucity of funds was a major issue. Jitin's father, Janardhan B. Shirke, is a security guard, and his mother Janvi, a domestic help. Their joint monthly income of 3,000 rupees was barely enough to meet day-to-day expenses, and the projected medical expenses of 12 lakh rupees was beyond their limited scope.
This boy has been a really fantastic student, very much lovable, liked by all the students. And therefore the entire class was quite moved when they heard about Jitin Shirke.
While the family was able to raise 10 lakh rupees through efforts of the school and Janvi's employers, they were still short by 2 lakh rupees. The medical social worker at the hospital referred the case to Sir Ratan Tata Trust, which covered the shortfall. Jitin received a part of his father's liver, post which his health started improving.
Near normal now.
Yeah.
में हम लोग बहुत सारे ट्रस्ट में अप्लाई किया था मिनिस्टर तक, मगर सर रतन टाटा के ट्रस्ट ने हमको 2 लाख रुपए का डोनेशन दिया और सब 10-15 हज़ार का ही दे दिया।
हम लोग को यकीन ही नहीं था कि उतना हम लोग को मिलेगा करके।